Hi guys, we're back with another video here. It's Gamer Valtrek here, and today we will be telling you guys how to make your PC even faster. So yeah, so guys, in order to make your PC faster, oh yeah guys, by the way, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell notification too so you can get notified. I didn't do a live stream today because I didn't even have freaking time. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how to make your PC even faster. So these are like 10 tips, okay guys? So what you want to go and do is go to Intel HD Graphics, right click it and then go to graphics properties, and then this thing will pop up. So what you want to go to is power. You go to power and then click on maximum performance, and then on battery, maximum quality, and then maximum performance. So yeah, after you've done that, oh yeah, press apply like here after you're done, and go to 3D next. So yeah, oh I forgot, optimal mode, higher performance. Okay, so guys, if you go on 3D, enable, you go on quality if you want the game to have better graphics, or if you want the game to run even smoother. So click on performance. So yeah, and then press apply. I haven't done that yet. I'm so sad. Anyways, after that, close the window, and we're on to tip number 2, which is about the battery thing. Click on the battery here if you're on Windows 10 or something else. Click on it, or if you're like right here, just drag it down to best performance. It'll make your PC have a better performance though, but it'll waste more battery though. But if you like playing games and you're like, oh, I need a better performance, click that. I swear. So yeah, on to tip number 3. Hold on a minute. So I'm gonna close these windows. Anyways, you go to right click on the window tab here, and then press task manager. This thing will pop up here. Ignore everything, press on startup, and you see these things on here. I have Discord. It's disable the things you don't need, like let's see, like Epic Games Launcher. I don't actually need it because like I can just open this and yeah, and then just disable the things like right now, like for example, enable Discord. But then just disable the things that you don't need, okay guys? And then yeah, there might be actually background processes. Yeah, it's just okay, never mind. And then oh yeah, and by the way, after you've done my thingies, just check on your performance. It should have increased. I was at like below 1 gigahertz. That's horrible, but still. Now after that's done, let's move on to another step though. I would recommend you guys go, okay, hold on a minute. Go to settings, and then where's it? If you're on Windows 10, this is only for Windows 10 guys. Don't dislike the video yet. This is for Windows 10. You can just upgrade it and stuff. And go on gaming if you're on Windows 10 gaming, and then you go down here and press game mode, and here it is. But first of all, in order to actually activate it, press the Windows key on your laptop and G, and then boom, and then a thing would pop up here. But don't click on anything. Look, this is turn on game mode. So if you turn on game mode, then it will make whatever game you will play much faster. So boom, it would make my game run smoother. So yeah, another thing you would like to do. So go to the back, and there's something here. True play. You can you can turn this on, but like no, don't turn it on. It'll actually mess up your thing. Anyways, another step. Hold on a minute. Show you an example, guys. As you can see, there is disk and memory. So technically, you can't really stop the memory though. But one of the things are happening, damaging your memory and drive, is how much things are on your computer. For me, it's like I have like 698 gigabytes of memory, which is a lot. But if you're like all the way up here and it shows red, click on it and what is this? Okay, never mind. Just never mind, guys. Anyways, go to your program files here, like 2 of them here, and delete the things you don't need. Like here, I have all my important stuff here. So yeah, all of it here. And if you go in program files here, some of it Windows stuff, Java, and pretty much everything. So yeah, delete the stuff you don't need on your drive. Hold on a minute, I want to see. Whoa. Oh yeah, okay guys, anyways, another tip I want you to guys do is press Windows key and press the Windows key and with R, boom boom, and then type in was it like, it was like temp. Yeah, it was called temp. I mean, you can, but okay. Hold on a minute, you can type it on this thingy here. So temp. Okay, never mind. Never mind, guys. Skip that part. Guys, skip that part. Okay, replay this one. So, let's see here. Next thing you would want to do. This is the last tip. Let's see. No. Guys, just. This is the last thing to do, by the way, so make sure, okay, hold on, go to settings, hold on a minute, yeah, go to settings, and then press display notification. Oh, actually I have more to show you guys how to increase it. So, the other thing is, let's see, projecting, multitasking, power and sleep. No. Battery, no, hold on, battery, yeah. So, let's see. Lower screen, white, and battles. Yeah, this is all of other stuff. Hold on, guys. I'll just at least try and search it here. Let's see, blueprints and it's not apps. No, it's not apps. Hold on, guys. Let's see, airplane. I probably did everything. Oh yeah, guys, make sure you check for updates on your computer. So yeah, because it makes your computer faster and not vulnerable to virus that slow down. Yeah, Windows 10 is now available on the participating insider program. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, make sure you have an activation code for your PC too. This will activate some stuff on your computer, and pretty much, yeah, it would literally help you out because it'll like activate your Windows, which makes Microsoft know what's going on. It'll actually help you. So yeah, another thing, if it's an emergency, press reset this PC and then you can reset it and install everything back. You can keep your files but like start off fresh, or you can go to advanced setup and restart, and then you would have a better computer. So yeah, I'm done with the video here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is how to increase your PC speed. So yeah, bye guys.